Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, faculty of Mount Ridra Z School, Jhansi. This is my third video for the first chapter of science for class 6th. In this video, we will discuss the topics which was left uncovered in my second video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. In this video, the very first topic is scavengers. The animals that feed on flesh of dead animals. That means these are the organisms which do not hunt down the other animals. Instead, they eat the animals which was being hunted down by the other carnivorous or the predator organisms. Scavengers plays an important role in the ecosystem by consuming the dead animals. That means we can say these organisms or these type of organism are also known or can be called as the cleaning agent of the ecosystem. The example of this type of organisms are vultures, hyenas, crows, etc. The another category of the organisms are decomposers. A decomposer is an organism that destroy or break down the organic material. That means these type of organism usually degrade or breaks down the organic matter. The organic matters are those matters which can easily be decomposed when they are buried in the soil. And the decomposition is being done by the organisms known as decomposers. The example of these decomposers are fungi and bacteria. Now, I would like you all to copy these two questions. The first question is differentiate between carnivores and scavengers. I repeat my question, differentiate between carnivores and scavengers. The second question is mention the various type of food habits seen in animals. I repeat my question. Mention the various types of food habits seen in the animals. You copy this question, answer it out, and in my upcoming video, we will discuss these two questions. So, in this video, we have discussed the scavengers, the animal that feed on flesh of dead animal. Point to be noted over here, these type of organism do not hunt down the organism. Instead, they eat the animal which was being hunted down by the other organisms like carnivores, etc. Decomposers are the another category of organism that we have studied in this video. Or decomposers is an organism that destroy or break down the organic material. Examples, fungi and bacteria. And last two, I have provided you with these two questions as the homework. Do it and we will discuss these two questions in my upcoming video. Thank you.